How to use Dola AI. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you are looking forward to using Dola AI, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, make sure you have installed Dola AI app and then simply open it. So once you open it, you will see this page. So here on top right hand side of your screen, you will see these two options, phone and sound. So if you tap on this call icon, it will let you verbally communicate with the AI. And this sound option is simply used to mute and unmute the Dola AI. Now to chat with it, on bottom of your screen you will see this message box. So all you need to do is simply tap on it. And again here you will find multiple options. So on right hand side you will find this camera icon where you can click the photo and then send it to the AI. Similarly, if you want to send a recorded voice message, then simply tap on this microphone icon. Or else, if you want to attach photos, videos or any documents, tap on this plus icon. If you just want to communicate with text, all you need to do is type in a query in this message box here and then tap on this send icon. Here I have asked the AI to create an image. So within few seconds or minute, it will create an image for you. So let's wait. And there you go. I have successfully created an image for me. So this is how you can use Dola AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.